Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your LG G8 ThinQ, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I'm going to review this case from Supcase. It's a unicorn Beetle style for the LG G8 ThinQ. I want to give a shout out to Supcase for actually sending this case to me for a review. In this video, I will make sure that everything lines up. How does the case feel overall? Once you have the phone in it, does it add bulk to your phone? But also, can we wireless charge with the case on it, which I don't think we will have a problem. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description in case you want to pick it up for your LG G8 ThinQ. The style case from Supcase is their everyday case. It gives you protection, but it's not the heavy duty like the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Check out my other video where I've reviewed that case also. So let's get into this review. Nice packaging from Supcase. If you want to pause the video, you can definitely do that and read that. Y'all also let me know how does the audio sound and how does the video look. I'm using a OnePlus 7 Pro to make some content for YouTube. Y'all let me know how everything looks. So here's the case itself. Let's go over the case really quick. You have your volume rockers here, and then also the Google Assistant button, which I want to call the Bixby button. The cutout for the microphone, the cutout at the bottom. The power button here, look, it's ridged too. You do have some branding here from Supcase. Bam. Microphone at the top. Alright, that fit pretty snug. So you do get some lip action here. You don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. Same thing with the camera hump. And look at that, it shows off the beauty of your phone. That is just great looking. Alright, so let's check out the power button. Power button works. The fingerprint scanner is easy to get to. The volume rockers definitely work. The Google Assistant button is easy to find. This case does not add much bulk to your phone at all. Bam. Cutouts lined up here. Also at the bottom, look at that. The microphone too on the side here. Bam. This is a nice case. You can rock this every day and still get that protection that you're looking for. Let's see how it fits. Nice and snug at the top and bottom. Also the sides are snug. Wireless charge, is that a yes or a no? I don't think we will have a problem, but let's find out. As you can tell, no problem with wireless charging. So if you want to pick up this case, like I said, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the LG G8 ThinQ. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.